I tried selling digital products for 45 days. I wanted to make this video after 90 days, but I cannot wait because yesterday I reached another milestone that I was waiting for. It is a small milestone, but it is something that I like on the way to what I want to see about this shop more at a later stage. And I hope that it will happen by the end of the year. So these are my results, and although the money is not a lot, it's nothing significant, but I already have 10 email subscribers to my shop, and this is what I'm the most excited about, because my plans for the shop are that when I get 1000 email subscribers, I'm going to create my own membership website, and I'm going to invite all of my subscribers and of course the people who are going to buy after that. But this is something that I'm really looking forward to, get these 1000 email subscribers so I can create my own membership site. And I think that I am going in the right direction. Something else that I really like about this shop is the very high click-through rate. I had days with 16% click-through rate, some days 14-15%. Of course, not all days are like that. And I also noticed that during different days in the week, I'm getting different amount of sales. So for example, for my shop, the weekends I'm getting way less sales than during some of the days during the week. So this is something interesting. And before I continue, I want to mention why I decided to create this shop. I actually have a pretty successful print-on-demand shop that I opened 2 years ago on Etsy, but that one I'm getting most of my sales and income from personalized items, and they are not, in my opinion, they are heavily personalized because I am waiting for the clients to send me some info, and then I can create their product. I'm sending it back to them for approval, and this is taking really a lot of time, a lot of my time. This is not like a personalized mug because that I can easily create with Hello Custom to personalize it, but I have tried to create other products. I'm getting sales on some sweatshirts just with the plain design, but and other items, but this is not but the main income from my print-on-demand shop is coming from these personalized things that I need to spend a lot of time creating, approving, communicating with clients. Maybe that's why I have really good reviews about the client service, but it's taking me a lot of time, honestly, which I don't mind. But I decided to try a digital shop because I was seeing the good results that people have. And actually the first digital shop that I tried, I opened it in the beginning of this year, and it was about AI art. That one I got good sales, but I think that with that one you cannot get many repeat buyers, or if somebody is buying again, it's just occasionally. So I decided to try to create a digital shop only for PNGs and for Tumblr apps. At the moment I'm selling mainly Tumblr apps because they are much easier for me to create, and when I create one Tumblr app, I have a listing for that one. But when I create a PNG, most of the time I need to create several and to bundle them. So that is why I prefer to create at the moment at least the Tumblr apps. And I decided to give this idea a try because I saw that there are many repeat buyers, and there are people who are in the sublimation craft business, and they are looking for designs, and they are buying, like one client can buy over time many designs from you if they like your designs. And I already saw that I have repeat buyers on my shop, so this is something that I really like, and this is giving me the proof and the belief that I can definitely create my own membership site, and I can use Etsy traffic just to get more clients, and of course sales from there also. But on my own membership site, I'm not going to pay the fees that are really impressive on Etsy. So now when I have this shop, it is still not making like a lot of money, but I think that it has a potential because of the email list, because of the really high click-through rate. And about the click-through rate, I'm sure that this is because of the Pinterest and TikTok accounts that I created for this shop. Actually, I already automated this social media, and every day when I'm checking my Pinterest, I can see that more and more people are reviewing my Pinterest account. So I think that some sales are definitely coming from there, and I think that this explains the high click-through rate even for a completely new shop, because when I started I didn't have any reviews, I didn't have any sales, and people are seeing that. Now after 45 days I can say that I already have a bestseller, and I'm just waiting to see when the other one will get the badge, because I have two listings that have a lot of more sales than the rest. And also something I wanted to mention, in the beginning, to push my store and to get sales, I used ads, Etsy ads. I recently stopped them because they're very expensive, and it's just like for this type of products, it's just breaking even, I think. So it's not worth it at all to have them, because when I stopped them I was expecting not to get any sale at all. But the interesting thing is that the sales are continuing, and the most interesting thing for me is that I'm getting sales on different items. Even today I got a floral design, like a really floral design that sold. Considering that now is fall and coming Christmas season. And when I was running the ads, I was seeing continuously only 1, 2 or 3 designs selling, and after I stopped my ads, I'm seeing that almost every other sale is a different item, which is really interesting to me. So something else I wanted to mention about my future plans for this shop, as I mentioned, it is to grow my email list, to open a membership site when I hit the milestone of 1,000 subscribers, so I can expect more people to buy the membership. And then the other thing that I want to create for the shop is a Facebook group. I didn't create it yet because still I have very few sales on this shop, and people are going to see that there are very few in that group, so that's why I didn't do it. So the Facebook group, and I have a backup plan, which I decided that I'm definitely going to execute. If the membership site doesn't work out and I have all of my designs, I'm going to create a listing, a whole shop bundle listing. This is going to happen in the beginning of next year if my membership is not working out. So if you check on Etsy, the whole bundle shop listings are really best sellers. They're bringing really good money. So I will create it, and I think that I will get some income from that. I, as a person, like to have a backup plan always. This is what makes me feel safe. So I'm very excited about that one. And the other idea that I have about the shop, which I'm going to implement these days, is to add a custom order. I actually clicked on Etsy to enable the custom ordering, but I haven't created a listing for that one. And I'm going to create a listing, and I am going to create a few pins on Pinterest about that listing because I do think that some of my sales are coming from Pinterest and TikTok. So I'm very excited about that one. And now I want to compare my print-on-demand shop with my digital shop. So I definitely think that the print-on-demand shop can bring you more money in a short term, in a very short term, like for 1 month. If you get a sale from print-on-demand, you can get like maybe 10, maybe $15, maybe 8. Like profit. But as I mentioned, most of the times I need to work on that order. I need to submit the order, the list, because I'm using an innovative approach to creating my listings, and they are not connected straight to any print provider, because I think that this is making my process much faster. And so each of the orders that I'm getting, even if it is not a personalized item, I need to spend time to submit the order, to double check the size, because I had in the beginning I had situations when I was mixing the size, for example, of the sweatshirt. I was sending a different size, and when the client contacts me and they say this I ordered a different size, or I ordered a different color, then I had to send the right ones. So what I wanted to mention about the print on demand, you can get more profit per sale immediately, but it is involving a constant work, which I don't mind. But with the digital shop, once you create the listing and you put it on automatic renewal, then you can sell it as many times as people want it, and you don't need to do absolutely anything about these orders. And also the fact that I chose the PNGs and the Tumblr wraps because of the repeat clients. And also when I was researching the shops, like if you go on eRank and you research the best-selling shops in the last 3 years, this is something that I did. I found out that the digital shops have a way more estimated revenue than the print-on-demand shops, which is something really interesting. And I think that in the long run, the digital shop can be more profitable than the print-on-demand one. And also, with the digital shop, you don't need to you don't need to think or to consider the quality of the item, because to me, fortunately, this had never happened. But I'm seeing that lately people are complaining about the quality of the shirts or quality of the blankets or the different products. So even if they don't like the quality, if they give a bad review or a bad rating, this can be really not good for the shop. Fortunately, this hasn't happened to me, and I hope that it is not going to happen. But this is something to consider if you decide which one you want to go with, to create a print-on-demand shop or a digital shop. I would give a try to both, because you never know which one is going to work out for you. Because I even know people who have started with one type and they switched and they found more success with a different type of shop, and others are finding more success with the other type of shops. So I think that the best thing to do is in the beginning just to give it a try. Of course, in the beginning I think that we need to work more to establish something, and after that when you have happy clients, when your shop has reviews, this is really important, then the sales are going to come much easier. So this is what I wanted to mention. I am very excited about this shop, and if you have any questions, just ask me in the comments, and I will be very happy to answer. And also, if you want to see videos about another subject, whether it is about print on demand on Etsy or on Shopify, or whether it is about digital products, I can create a tutorial also how I am exactly creating my products. If you want, just let me know and I will prepare the tutorial for you. Thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe.